Welcome to the BP App Tutorial and Training. Today we will be taking a look at some of the features and functionalities of the app, going over registration, wallet, fill up, rewards, locations, and settings. The app can be found on the Google Play Store for Androids and on the App Store for iOS. We'll be taking a look at the iOS version. Once a splash page loads, the user will be presented with a walkthrough to get familiar with the UI, giving step-by-step instructions of how it works, starting with the Welcome to BP screen, letting them know that they can find a BP station, pay with their phone, and earn rewards. We automatically check you in, you choose the pump number, and select the payment method. Exit the vehicle, leave your phone in the car, pick your fuel, fill up, earn rewards, and get offers. To utilize full functionality of the app, you will have to allow access to location services and notifications. Now let's take a look at the registration and sign-up process. New users will tap on No, and they will be directed to the first screen of the sign-up process. This is where they will fill out their first name, last name, email address, phone number, and zip code. The next step is creating a password. It must be 8 to 40 characters, including 1 lowercase letter and 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. They will also need to pick a security question. Once completed, they'll have to accept the terms and conditions, select that they are over the age of 16, and they'll have the option to choose if they want to receive rewards and promotions. The final step is creating a 4-digit passcode. This will be used for quick logins. Now we'll take a look at wallet and adding a card. The user will tap on Add Card. They'll be prompted to put in the card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, CVV security code, billing zip code, and a card nickname. This could be used if there are multiple Visa cards and they need to be able to tell the difference between the two. They also have the option to take a photo of the card instead of adding the numbers in manually. To use this feature, they will need to allow access to the camera. Once the card is added, it'll be added to the stack. The front of the card is a default payment card. This can be changed by swiping up or down. Now we'll take a look at the fill-up process. The user will tap on Fill Up, and it will show their current BP station. Here they will tap on Continue, and select their pump number. Once the pump number is selected, they can add on a car wash, or they can skip over this option. Then the user can confirm that everything is correct, and they can double check payment type, pump, and if they want to add or remove the car wash. All adjustments can be made on the confirmation screen by tapping on the item that they'd like to change, whether it's the pump, the payment type, or removing or adding the car wash. The user will be prompted to remove the nozzle and select the grade at the pump, along with the rewards option. Just to be clear, this is done at the pump. Please remember to leave the device in the car. Once this is complete, it'll give you the code for the car wash and the option to view the receipt. Now we'll take a look at rewards. Users can tap on the option menu in the top left corner. Tap on Offers. This will give a list of all the rewards and offers available to the user. To get a more detailed description, they can tap on the offer. If they choose to activate one of the offers, all they have to do is drag to the right on the desired offer and activate. Now we'll take a look at locations. This can also be found in the top left-hand corner. The user will tap on Find a BP Station. What that does is locate all the BP stations nearby. By tapping on one of the stations, it will reveal the address. It'll also give you the option to tap on the information icon. That will let you know everything available at that station. You will also have the option to get directions. If you choose to get directions, it'll prompt you to open up Google Maps or whatever navigation app you're using. It'll give you directions from your current location to that station. There is also an option to use a filter. This will let you filter out everything you want from a BP station, if you need a station with Wi-Fi, a car wash, and so forth. Moving on to settings, also found in the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Here the user can change their profile, password, and passcode. In the profile, they can change their first name, last name, email address, phone number, and zip code. To change their password, all they have to do is enter in the current password and then the updated one. Same rules apply for the passcode. If the user forgets their password, it's a little different. They can tap on Forgot at the login screen. Here they will be prompted to put in their email address, and then a link will be sent to them so that they can change their password. We'll also take a look at the Help option. It gives a brief overview of each section. Driver Rewards, where you can view the most up-to-date rewards. To learn more, you can visit mybpstation.com. While it gives a brief overview as well, lets users know this is where they can manage their payment cards, and gives a reminder that the card at the top of the stack is the default payment card when filling up. Buying and pumping fuel gives a description of the 2 ways they can begin fueling up. About lets users know which app version is being used. The contact section gives the FAQs and the support phone number. Supported devices and operating systems. iPhones 5 through 7 running on iOS 8 to 10. Androids running on 4.3 and above. Tablets are not supported. Troubleshooting. These are errors that can happen at fill-up. Application loading error, pumping use, unable to load card, unable to verify card. Now we'll take a look at left navigation errors. Connection failed to server when trying to update profile, change password, or trying to change passcode. Registration errors. Application loading error, invalid email address, phone number validation, PIN code validation. Wallet errors. Invalid CVV, unable to load history, invalid expiration date, no transaction history. You can find a list of the BP error codes on the following wiki page. Please review the video, documentation, or FAQ to resolve. If unable to resolve, please open a Salesforce ticket with Tier 2 Mobile.